Good evening, everybody. I am very excited today to show you this really good dish. Again, welcome to Food Therapy. And this is a special pull apart garlic bread. Now, essentially, this is a garlic bread that's loaded both outside and inside with cheese and a few other, depending if you take a vegetarian option, then some vegetables, and if you take a non vegetarian option, then chicken or a meat of your choice. But just look at the size of that. It's expensive at 350 bucks. With Swiggy discounts, you may get it for 240, 250, depending on where you're at. And it's a Fat Lulu's special. And this just looks great. Just get a look of that. I mean, you know, when you're spending this kind of money, you know you're getting something special. I really think this. I mean, it's a round. It's kind of it looks unique, and by the look of it, I can tell you this is mozzarella goodness. I hope there's no hint of cheese blend or liquid cheese or anything on that sort. It's served along with this marinara salsa type sauce. So that's nice. Cheese dip would have been nice, but I guess it's nice to have a contrast. If you have so much cheese on your dish, then a slightly spicier sauce is always nice. Let's try and get into this because I don't know how I'm going to, quite frankly. Wow. I don't know how you eat this. You're just supposed to, well, as the name suggests, you just pull it apart. You're supposed to just pull it apart and eat it, dip it and eat it. I don't normally add these accompaniments, but it's kind of got slightly a bready side, so let's give it a taste. Yes, I can confirm this is indeed mozzarella and this is indeed garlic as well. So great. Normally garlic breads are just bread with cheese or with herbs, but this is indeed a garlic bread and this is indeed mozzarella. Let me take a bite without the sauce as well. Yes, definitely. Mozzarella it is all the way. Let's take a look on the other side. So it's on the breadier end towards the center. The top is obviously loaded with this mozzarella and herb. And there is some stuff which is inside as well. It's a pull apart garlic bread, so it's kind of straightforward how you need to eat this. There really aren't too many ways. But my problem with this is only one, that it's quite bready. Although if you look at here, there's a lot of butter as well. There's a lot of this garlic butter type thing. And I want to get a bite of this without any sauce or anything. This just looks great. Just give me a sec. So this is actually butter, and there's some cheese inside it as well. This is excellent, really. Yes, it's a little bready, but ignoring that, this is absolutely excellent. I mean, this is what a garlic bread should be, and because there's no real clear segregation of pieces in this, it's just one giant blob. So there's no way of telling how many people can eat this. But if I were to pick, I'd say about 2 people can comfortably eat this. 2 moderately hungry people. I mean, there's no real way of saying I'll have 2 pieces and you'll have 2 pieces, because you're just going to be technically using your hands and pulling this apart. But other than that, I think this is an excellent dish, and I'll be more than happy to give this a strong FT score of 9 on 10, just deducting the 1 mark for the little fact that it's a little more bready than it should have been, but then they've added a lot of the butter stuff as well. But anyway, no dish is perfect, always room for improvement, but this is excellent, and we'd highly recommend this. If you have a Fat Lulu's restaurant in your area, if you're in the Delhi NCR area, then for sure, and if you're not, well, then probably not yet, but I hear that they are expanding quickly. So thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next video.